great. And so now we're going to make it's kind of like an air freshener bug spray. Oh. This jar is not big enough. Be right back. Okay, now I'm back with a bigger one. One of them old spaghetti jars. Ah, perfect. Okay, so for this one, I will leave a link where I found it down below. But we're going to want 10 drops. Now I have 16 ounces of water here because, like I said, I'm using this as more like an air freshener around where we're going to be instead of putting it on ourselves. If you're going to use it on yourself, you use 8 ounces of water and 8 ounces of witch hazel. So in that way you have a carrier in there because there's no carrier in this. So we want 10 drops of citronella. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops of lemongrass. Oh, you can wait a moment. I just let my dog out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, go ahead. Yep, please. The sticks. 10 drops of tea tree oil.
Second drop.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That one came pouring out at first. Yeah. 5 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then 5 drops of peppermint. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that is it. So I'm going to, this isn't going to stay in this. This is just to store it in because he has the spray bottle up at the camper. But you would store this in a glass spray bottle and spritz. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and it does smell really good. And I will see you guys again pretty soon. Bye.